everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover our new chapter of biology, that is locomotion and movement. So, movement is a characteristic of all the living organism, from the protoplasmic movement in a cell and unicellular organism to the movement of organs in multicellular organism. Movement accounts for the various important functions in the living organisms. The movement which leads to a change in the place is called locomotion. There are three types of movement in a cell and organs. These are amoeboid, ciliary and flagellar movement, then muscular movement. Amoeboid is like that of pseudopodia and amoeba, and ciliary and flagellar movement. Ciliary movement in the epithelial lining of the trachea, reproductive tract, etc. Then sperms also show flagellar movement. Muscular movements, muscles are responsible for most of the movement in the multicellular organism. Breathing, the function of heart, digestion, movement of the appendages, locomotion, everything is performed by various muscles in our body. Locomotion is coordinated movement of skeletal, neural and muscular systems. Muscles originate from the mesodermal germinal layer. Muscular tissues have certain unique properties such as contraction, extension, excitation, elasticity, etc. We all know there are three types of muscles: cardiac muscles, visceral muscles and skeletal muscles. Then let's learn about the more in details. Anatomy of muscle fiber and sarcomere. Skeletal muscles are the most important abundant muscle. They are made up of bundles of muscle fibers wrapped around the connective tissue. This is the structure of a bone. First, the tendon. Second, epimysium. Third, perimysium. Fourth, muscle fiber. Fifth, fascia. Sixth, bone. Fascicles or muscle bundles of muscles such as biceps comprises many muscle bundles held together by fascia, a connective tissue layer. Each fascicles contain many muscle fiber. Muscle fibers are elongated cells. They are organized into bundles called fascicles. The characteristic features of muscle fiber are: each skeletal muscle fiber is long, cylindrical and striated. It is syncytium, that is contain many nuclei. Sarcolemma is the plasma membrane of the muscle fiber. Sarcoplasm is the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. Sarcoplasmic reticulum is the endoplasmic reticulum of the muscle fiber, and it is the storehouse of calcium ions. Myofibrils. Each muscle fibers has multiple myofibrils running lengthwise and parallel to each other in the sarcoplasm. The alternating dark and light bands present in myofibrils give the muscle striated appearance. Each myofibril consists of even simpler structures called myofilaments. There are of two types of myofilaments present in myofibril: thin and thick. Thin filament or actin filament are made up of three different proteins. It contains two polymeric filaments or F-actin filament. Tropomyosin filament are coiled around the actin filament lengthwise. Then thick filament or myosin filament. Sarcomere, the function unit of the muscle contraction. A myofibril contains 100 of sarcomere which are connected end to end. Then sarcomeres are joined at the end by interweaving filaments forming the Z-line. It is the limiting membrane of sarcomere. Actin filaments or thin filaments are attached to the Z-line at the frequent intervals. Thick filament or myosin filaments are present between the thin filaments. They are held together at their place by very thin fibrous membrane known as M-line. Then there are three types of bands: I band or isotropic band, A band or anisotropic band, and H zone. To summarize, the sarcomere is the basic unit of muscle made up of thick and thin myofilaments. Hundreds of sarcomeres are present in myofibril. Multiple myofibrils form a muscle fiber. A bundle of muscle fiber is known as fascicles. Multiple muscle bundles are enclosed in a fascia and constitute a muscle. Now, mechanism of muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is the result of sliding of actin and myosin filaments over each other. Then brain or spinal cord, that is CNA, transmit a signal through motor neurons for the initiation of muscle contraction. The neural signal causes the release of neurotransmitter. Then the acetylcholine at the synaptic cleft of the neuromuscular junction It binds to the receptors present on the muscle fibers and cause depolarization of sarcolemma. Then muscle relaxation. Once the neural signal ceases, the acetylcholinesterase inactivate acetylcholine in the synaptic cleft. Muscle fibers comes out to a resting state. Calcium ions are pumped back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. In the absence of calcium ions, the troponin or the tropomyosin complex again covers the myosin binding sites on actin filaments. Then skeleton bones are the total number of 206 bones present in adult. Then axial are 80 bones, skull, vertebral column, ribs and sternum. Appendicular skeleton are 126, that is pectoral and pelvic and limbs. Given below is a list of main bones in the tabular form for the quick revision. Axial skeleton 80, skull 80, that is 8 cranial bones, 14 facial bones. Single hyoid bones. Then vertebral columns are having 26 bones, that is 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, sacral and coccygeal. Sternum 1 bone, ribs 12 pairs. Then in appendicular skeleton, pectoral girdle 2 scapular, 2 clavicles. In hands 30, humerus, radius, ulna 8 carpals, 5 metacarpals, 14 phalanges. Pelvic girdles 2 coxal bones. Legs 30, femur, tibia, fibula, patella, 7 tarsals, 5 metatarsals, 14 phalanges. Joints are present between bones and between a bone and a cartilage. 3 types of joints: fibrous, cartilaginous and synovial. These are the disorders of muscular and skeletal system, that is tetany, cause calcium deficiency, tetanus, a bacterial disease. The causative organism is Clostridium tetina. Then myasthenia gravis is caused by autonomic disease. Then osteoarthritis, gout, osteoporosis. So this was for today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment my videos. Thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye bye.